I am an Instagram geek. 70% of my leads are coming through Instagram, and I'm not on it every day, and I don't show my face on video. It leads into your business through Instagram. For I'm almost 20 years in the wedding industry. I know it works. Everything is content. That phone in your hand is the best marketing tool that you could own. Use it at every opportunity. Take photos and videos everywhere you go on the daily. Organize this content in different albums on your phone. Create albums and label them so you can find them quickly when needed. For example, here are some of my albums on my phone. Each venue has a separate album. Each church that I work at has an album. Each couple that I work with has an album. Each supplier that I work with has an album. I have an album for wedding fairs. I have an album for us out working at weddings. I have one for working during the week, doing everyday things I do at work. I also have a mix of small albums that I can pull from for content for my stories. Like me at work, me on the computer, me having coffee, lunch, dinner, or just pictures of the food I was having, or a shout out to where I was. Me out walking, local places I visit, or a local business I buy from. This is a great way to get new followers. Places I've travelled to. I can use this content over and over again without the stress of wondering what photo or video I'm going to use in a post. I have it to hand, even on a pajama day, where the last thing I want to do is make a video. But that doesn't stop me from posting, because I already have the content organised into albums on my phone. So get into the habit of taking out your phone at every opportunity and organise your content into albums. This will save you so much time, and not to mention stress. So what do you do with all this content? Well, if you're a wedding business owner and you're stuck for ideas for your social media, I want you to download my social media toolkit, especially created for wedding business owners. You'll never run out of social media content ideas again. In this toolkit, you have 137 ready-to-use content ideas, so there'll be no more wondering what to post. I've also provided an easy-to-follow content calendar, a simple time-saving system. And also in this toolkit, I will give you step-by-step instructions how to create quick and easy posts. So go ahead and download the toolkit now. The link is in the description. And let's get your wedding business seen on social.